Hey guys, I got sent a car canopy to do a box opening. This is from GEERTOP. It's kind of a tarp that goes on the side of your vehicle, on the side of a car or SUV to give you some shade. We're going to get it opened up and get it set up, see what it looks like. Stick around. Comes in a nice little carrying bag here. Has these suction cups. This is what's going to lock down on your car on the top. I'll show you that here in a moment. Has your instructions here sewn onto the bag, so you don't have to worry about keeping up with those. They'll always be with you. We'll kind of get it spread out here in just a minute and see what it looks like. Okay, this right here and this one right over here is what's going to connect to those suction cups that we've got that will stick to your car, and then it'll spread all out. So let's get that step done. Put those little suction cups on your car right there. And honestly, if you had a tree or something that you can take this cord and tie up, and these trees are too far away, but if you had one, you could tie that up, and this center would be a lot higher up, more like what the poles are. I was just sitting there thinking, if you had an RV like that, you could actually use this on the other side. Most of them have the rollout canopies, but if you didn't have one, he's on a smaller camper, something like that, and down there, you could use this right here. It's connected on the sides of your camper. And if you look, this is double reinforced in these corners right here. Pretty heavy duty. That is rain proof. It will keep you dry. Now the water may run to the back there, but if you have a taller vehicle, that wouldn't be a problem at all. Even a shorter one, you'll still be fine, like where I've got that chair sitting. Not a problem at all. Really nice. And by the way, if you was concerned about opening and closing your doors, you can still open and close your doors. It does not interfere with that at all. If you'll notice, it's not real tall, but if you were sitting down here fishing or just sitting around a table, you could put a table under here. It'd be really nice. You know, the height is going to be dependent on your vehicle. If you had a taller SUV, or like I was mentioning, a camper, you could go up much higher, and then you would be sloping more down. But this right here, in those hot summer days when that sun's beaming down on you, you're sitting out the lake, man, this is going to be fantastic. Easy to put together. Just take a minute to kind of look at the instructions, and the rest of it's easy. Even for one person. 2 people would be easier, but 1 is not a problem at all. So there you have it. Definitely a thumbs up in my book. If you like outdoor gear and things such as this, you might check out this playlist right here. There's a lot of other things in there that might perk your interest. Anyway, I appreciate y'all watching, and y'all have a great day. Bye.